Buen Camino Pilgrims, and welcome back to another Sacred Steps Camino 101 planning video. I'm Kevin Donahue. Today I'm discussing 3 items that are with me on every one of my pilgrimage journeys, including the Camino de Santiago. First up, my favorite travel pillow, the Nemo Philo travel pillow. I've taken this all around the world. It's been with me on the Via Francigena, the Camino de Santiago, and the reason I like to have a travel pillow with me is I'm often not comfortable with the pillows that are provided in the albergues, hostels, even nicer hotels and donativos. If I have a consistent pillow with me for the duration of my pilgrimage, I'm going to get a great night's sleep, and to be honest with you, it's worth it. This is a super lightweight pillow. I wouldn't leave it behind for the world. The next item on my list is actually my laundry kit, and that starts with an Osprey ultralight dry sack. So these sacks are completely waterproof, and that makes them great for keeping water out. I actually use them for keeping water in. So I take the sack, I fill it with my hot water, my Tide hand wash or whatever hand wash you prefer, and I use that as my laundry basin. I actually use the 20-liter dry sack. I put my clothes directly into it, I wash them there, and then I'm good to go. That way I'm not using the sink if someone else wants to use it in an albergue. I'm also not waiting on a laundromat, and to be honest with you, I'm not washing my clothes where someone else has maybe done some of their own personal hygiene. So I pair this with the Sea to Summit ultralight clothesline, which makes it easy for me to dry my clothes. It does not need clips. It actually uses some compression beads, makes it super simple. This clothesline, you cannot leave it at home because it weighs 1.3 ounces. I mean, it weighs like a handful of peanuts. You got to take this with you. It will make laundry simple again on your pilgrimage. If you enjoy these videos, please take a moment and hit like below. That will help other pilgrims find our content on YouTube. And if you're looking for additional tips on what to pack for your pilgrimage, what apps to take, or how to prevent blisters, don't miss our Camino 101 playlist on YouTube. Check the show notes below for links to all of these products, including my third and final must-go on my pilgrimage, and that's a great pair of water shoes, such as these from A Leader or others from Wantukan. I love shower shoes for 2 reasons. Number one, it keeps my feet nice and clean in the showers. I avoid fungus, athlete's foot, etc. from albergues or hotels, hostels. I also use these if there is a significant water crossing and I don't want to get my trail runners wet. I'll sit down, remove my trail runners, remove my socks, put on my water shoes, and then make a simple crossing across a large puddle or a small stream. These are very lightweight. I just keep them in the side pocket of my backpack so that they're always accessible, and they all allow me to walk around the albergue in a second set of shoes that are a little more lightweight and easy to manage than Crocs or other alternatives. So that's it. 3 quick items that go with me on every pilgrimage. Thank you so much for joining me for this Camino 101 video. Until next time, be well, stay safe, and buen camino.